Hello. Hi, this is a Remington 870 Wingmaster shotguns. 12 gauge, shoots 2 3/4 inch shells. Very popular shotgun in the United States and abroad. It's been around for years. This here's obviously an older model, and our client brought this into us, and he had a big problem. What the problem was, he had a shell. He went ahead and shot. Then the shell wouldn't eject, got stuck in there. Well, what happened was, eventually I found out, was that the extractor slipped off the shell somehow. Anyway, he needed a new extractor in here, so went ahead and done that for him. But he couldn't get the shell out of there. He was all worried and stuff and didn't know what to do. So he brought it into us, and this is what I did. All right. Now the shell was in there; it wouldn't extract. He had 2 other live shells in the magazine. So what I did was, now again, the shell that wouldn't extract, it was already been fired. I just open the chamber, pull the barrel off, got the shell out. No problem. Fished out the other ones. Actually, I went ahead and recycled those. No problem whatsoever. Everything worked good. But the extractor eventually needed to be changed, and it was really dirty too. Again, you got to clean it. So that's what you do. I hope this little tip helps. Something gets stuck, you start to freak out, calm down. Just go ahead and pull the barrel off if the shell has already been fired, because you don't want to mess around with something that's live in there. You always have to keep the barrel and everything pointed in a safe direction. It's very important. So, Remington 870 Wingmaster. It's a good shotgun. Things happen to guns. Things happen to firearms. You got to take care of them. You got to clean them. And if something ever happens like that, shell gets stuck, and it's not because of overloading or what have you, it's because of the extractor. And a lot of times you got to go in there after so many years of use and simply put a new one on there, continue on. Hope this tip helps. Thanks.